Guys, help! I've been kidnapped by a strange Australian man in Japan!
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We stole Linus' stuff for a car meet. Yeah! In Japan.
We're not going back.
You're not going back?
I'm staying here.
I do have some positions open at SAMMIT HQ.
Whoa.
So all jokes aside, the crew is here from Taipei, from Computex, and they're here for a few days, and I was able to catch up with them and show them a little bit of Japanese car culture. It's pretty wild to have everyone here. We've got Andy, we got Jake, we got Sarah, we got Alex. Our filmer's gone. Oliver, there he is. He's up there.
Tripod.
Okay, I'm just gonna say this is probably gonna be my favorite car tonight. I've never seen an FD with this much aero on the street. Super cool.
It's so wide. It feels like GT's back.
It is wide.
Anything you want to
Andy's reaction is by far my favorite. He's just like walking around like a kid in a candy store.
I can't close my mouth.
What car do you have again? We interviewed you last time.
I have my Integra.
Integra?
Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Type S.
Oh, and you got Advent GTs for it recently too.
Yeah, I got Advent GT, I got R3. You know, like slowly modifying it.
Alex, what do you think of this rotary powered machine?
It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm very happy for them.
The moment we told him it was a Wankel engine, he was like, oh.
I really want to try one out. No, you don't. I would not be at it.
I wonder how hard it is to drive this car, you know, like...
Oh, speed bumps for sure, no.
Speed bump is just saying, like, the street is also, like, pretty narrow, right?
You couldn't drive this on the streets in Vancouver, that's for sure. Or Surrey, for sure, no.
Just ask him. Suspension aside, though, it might be really easy.
It's just wide.
Yeah.
It's wide. I think it's static. I don't think he's got it on air.
Oh, it must be.
It's amazing, though.
Yeah, that is insane.
So cool.
I believe this is what you call fuck.
What's wrong with that?
It's thick!
Don't get outside of Japan.
I don't understand what's happening, but apparently Sarah likes SDIs, and she's so confused because she's never seen a wagon version of one. She's freaking out.
I thought it was my dream car from the front.
And she's so upset, and she's like, it's thick.
Like,
No.
they have that in North America. I'm getting one.
No,
Okay.
Andy, no!
It's so good looking. It's a wagon. Like, what do you want? It's a wagon.
Oh man.
Wagon is the best.
This is your car.
Not my car.
No?
Same engine though.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
I'm so bad with the newer like generation Civics and Integras. I'm sorry.
Same. Yeah.
I'll show you.
What about that kind of SDI, Sarah?
It's so cute!
Oh. What?
I just want to give it a hug.
Even with the duct tape.
It's got a good bookshelf too. The bookshelf spoiler.
Yeah.
You can fit so many books.
This bad boy.
You're like the first person I know that gets super hyped about Subarus.
I love it.
Oh, it's an RA edition maybe, because it's got the roof scoop. That's awesome. So is this a Hawkeye?
Huh?
Do you know what type this is? Is it Hawkeye or?
No idea.
Oh, it's a Hawkeye?
Nice jam.
No, there you go. Thanks, Andy.
Andy knows his shit.
Thanks. Oh no. Oh no. What just?
So hyped.
Bro, you're leaving me hanging. You're still leaving me hanging.
I know.
Look, it's a BMW, Jake.
I've heard they're alright.
The Parable 2.
I don't like that.
The Parable 2.
There's another one.
There is. Wait, you're a BMW guy and you don't like a Burble tune?
No, ew. I like my turbos to work and not leak. It's nothing like causing explosions in your turbo exhaust diaphragm.
He said he just sends it over the speed bumps here. Because it's literally like, look, his bumper's on the ground, it's full static.
Tom then?
He's just gonna send it when he leaves.
Oh my
That's what he does every time. He's straight over the bump.
looks like 2 fingers.
Hell
Like, dude, this car got RGB.
yeah.
It doesn't really feel that small. Cause like,
It's so cute. I feel
it's
like
very
you could just
cute.
pick it up.
I mean, like 5 of us, we probably could.
It's like a Mr. Bean car. I don't know what he drives, but it's very cute.
Okay, question.
Yes.
Which gen?
You can't put me on the spot like this. I really like the new ones for myself personally, but these cuties, like, you can't go wrong.
Like, I fall in love with STL since this gen.
The engines apparently blow up though. So,
Oh yeah, it's super.
Yeah. What is that?
On that beat.
Wow!
So we're back at the shop. So you guys obviously have seen the HKS engine, but have you seen the H&S electric turbo from wish.com?
Oh my god.
Oh no.
You know what?
Wait.
Why has Linus not tried cooling a computer with one of these yet? I have no idea.
What do you mean? Ask him. Oh. Oh yeah, that feels like it moves. Can you turn this on?
Yeah. Hang on.
Hold it at the same time, or is that scary?
No, you can.
Oh.
It actually moves a lot of air. Hang on, let me get some wires real quick. Yep.
So wait, you just leave this plugged in? Dude, who the fuck made this? Why are the wire? Is this bare wire?
Dude, I told you
to
it
be
came
here.
from wish.com. Yeah. That was just making things happen. Look, sometimes you gotta do things quick and dirty to make a video work. All right.
You're not even gonna put it on there.
No. Why would I?
Wait, you're not just plugging it into the wall?
What's this 12 volt, man? What do you mean?
12 volt.
That's what I mean, it's 12 volt. Just plug into any computer power supply.
What this is a
This is a car shop.
What is wrong with you?
He's got a 10 mil. Where'd you get that from? SAMMIT.net.
Salmon.net. Yeah, this thing's mint. I'm glad I got to wrench on a car while I was here.
There you go.
Just one moment, please. Should we put that on our show? I just dropped the nut. God fucking damn it. Wait, do you have a magnet? It fell into the tray. Oh, that's too bad. Is this supposed to be sparking?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, great.
Stop complaining.
I'm not complaining. This is magical.
Why are you questioning anything from wish.com? Does anyone like wet and need to dry themselves off?
I can do it.
I can become wet.
I'm ready?
Plug it in
Flip the
live.
switch.
Open your mouth.
It's not enough. It's not enough. Yeah, 2 JZ things, alright? It's crazy. It's so smooth. Yeah, Scatter, trust me. I don't know, this might be hard.
Do it the other way.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, man. Oh, there we go. There's a problem here.
Uh-oh.
You're fine.
He doesn't fit.
How do you fit? I
I
can't.
just duck. I get used to ducking under always.
It's like limbo.
You're so smart.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, this is my portable setup that then became my office setup.
Did Linus convince you to buy this?
No.
I hope that I didn't.
Jesus fuck.
Did I?
God
No. Actually, hang on. Actually, you did it. Yes, you did. Because I had the older one and I was just going to go back to a MacBook, but then you said something about the new Razer, and I was like, oh, I'll give it another go. So I got the new one.
No, get the MacBook so much better.
I'm going to get the MacBook now. But yeah, the only reason why I'm getting rid of it is purely because of the power brick. It's such a pain.
You did him dirty.
I don't think I've ever strongly recommended one.
Well, your medium recommend fucking was enough, I guess.
So,
water. Is this for the razor blade?
No, so that 32 Skyline I was telling you about, the single cam that I put a turbo on, it won't die. As a meme, I was like, I'm going to try cooling the car with PC fans. And it went viral, like blew up. Okay. And then, other security stuff, internet. We have 5 gig up and down here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so if we upload the videos, you gotta come here.
Yeah, you can come here. Oh, and then everything, my network, my wireless network meshes Orbi. Cheap and simple.
Have you heard of the Ubiquity Ferry?
I have, but I don't have a contact there, so. Yeah, that was like the first backpack I had. Nocturne. So you know about IRL streaming stuff, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I get a camera. It's a cute little setup. I like this. You just Velcroed everything. You just.
My friend helps me with that stuff. He like looks after a bunch of IRL streamers here, so he helps me out. But yeah, most of it's all pretty good. Oh, this is a mess, but that's just because we make it do in the back of a drift car that's going sideways at crazy top speeds. So we just cram everything in the box, and Blackmagic looks after us too. It sends us everything.
Oh, nice.
It works really, really well. And then we use all the Sony action cams because they're just the best at it. Can't use GoPros or anything because the ports break on them.
Oh, you should try those new DJI ones.
Do they have HDMI outputs though?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Oh, maybe mini.
That's the biggest issue is like no one makes them. And like you 3D print these awesome like cases for them, and they like hold in the cable and everything.
I feel like the DJI ones, I thought they had a little output.
Yeah. Anyways, that's kind of it. There's not that much like tech stuff here, I guess, in the sense of IT stuff yet.
This is more than I was expecting.
It's pretty fun, man. Like the IRL stuff is really interesting, and thinking of ways to do IRL streaming with cars is so out of the box.
Derp skis.
From gear. Oh, that's my my shelf of destruction. Yeah. See the broken off valves and stuff there?
What happened to the IKEA shark?
Oh, ouch.
I bought it as a meme, and it just it's called Mr. Shark.
Dude, the IKEA stuff are great.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
We forgot to tighten the front housing. And it nicked it, and then it stopped. The front wanted to stop, but the rear was still going because of the turbine, so it snapped and shit off.
In my shop, I have a rod from an S65, the V8. It's in my M3. I didn't blow it up, but a customer did. And it happens. You have to take the half of it. It's just sitting in the oil pan, like half of a rod.
A few moments later.
Time warping ahead, we are now at Fukushima at Ebisu Circuit. You can see behind me. I've been here for the last few days and we've been dialing in the FD car. It's super exciting because it is the best it has ever felt. I know you get sick of hearing me say that, but this time it is amazing. You'll see in an upcoming video when we kind of do a recap of this weekend, but the car's feeling great, the new layout, it's a little interesting, but it's definitely drivable. I'm feeling comfortable out there. The number one thing is though, I'm having a good time. But where we left last in this video was we were hanging out with the LTT crowd. It was awesome hanging out with them, showing them a bit of car culture. As you guys know from the first video we did with them, which you'll see somewhere up there or something pop up right now, there's a lot of people at LTT that are into cars. Andy especially loves his Hondas, Luke loves his Hondas as well, and Jake's a big BMW guy. I'm sure you gathered that from all the smack talk between us. But it's good to hang out with them, show them some Japanese car culture. Also, Sarah into Subarus, that was something I didn't really think was even possible. But yeah, that aside, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a bunch of fun hanging out with them. Once again, massive thank you to them. And you'll probably see us do more stuff in the future at some point too, so get excited for that. But I need to get back to driving. I'm gonna leave you with a couple clips of my laps. They're not the best yet, we're still dialing in the entry, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable, and that's the main thing. Bogan 32, mate, we're about to go do some shenanigans with that, and Walter's back. So, you know what? I'm not saying goodbye. Let's go have some fun with that. Repeat after me. It's just a missile.
It's just a missile.
Can you believe this? This is my favorite thing ever. 20E single cam, still chooching. I wish it would blow up. I really want to put an RB25 in this. Please blow up, please.
Please don't.
Stop it, don't, none of that. Those of you that watch the Fishing Arc series over on the SAMMIT Raw YouTube channel, you know who Ricky is. We caught some trout together. It was a good time. Yep, we're gonna go try and have some fun with this thing. It's been a while since we drove it. Hopefully we don't undo all the practice I just did today in my comp car, and it won't affect me tomorrow though. Progressive caster, I like transitioned it and it was just like whoop! I've tried to do exactly 1.5 laps out of this, and we've lost the power steering belt. We found out my caster arm was about to fall off, so I have no idea how Juju was driving this. Yeah, tightened everything, putting the belt back on, and now it looks like there's a little bit of a power steering leak. Just a wee little bit of one. So probably just order a new high pressure hose and this thing will be mint, but I'm just gonna crank this pulley, this belt, tighter than something that I probably should say on YouTube. Oh, she's tight now. So the Bogan 32 definitely was not happy. It didn't really let me do any good laps with the power steering belt come off again. I fixed it though. I just cranked on it crazy tight. Now it seems to not come off. The only other issue is it's over boosting like crazy. I put the Yokohama semi-slicks that I run on the front of the FD car, some old scrubs, and that's a lot of grip for this thing. And now it's loading up the engine like crazy and it is boosting to the moon. Before boost cut came on, it was 22 PSI, so couldn't really drive it. I had to like just partial throttle it and like feather it a ton just to stop it from hitting the boost cut. And even then it was 18 PSI, which is a lot for this. It's supposed to only be running 14, 15. So I don't really want to lift the head on this thing. As much as I want this thing to blow up, I know I've been joking about it, kind of rather not, but also I'm okay with that. So I could just take the limits off the Linky suit, but I'm not going to. I want this thing to still be drivable for the next couple days while we're here, when we do FD things, whatever happens on the weekends, spare time, that kind of thing, we can go shred this thing. But it does have a power steering leak, so the high pressure hose has kind of got a hole in it now. So I need to get a new one of those, or a used one of those for the time being. I think I can use an S13 one maybe? I don't know, I'll do some research tonight, but we'll figure it out. That aside, tomorrow is going to be the official FD practice day, so we're going to be able to do a bunch of driving and stuff. So keep an eye out for that video. Don't forget though, make sure you go to SAMMIT.net and grab yourself some merch. We do still have some of those, I think they're Treasure Hunt, ultra rare HKS Civic Hot Wheels. So if you do want one, place your order on SAMMIT.net, and until they run out, they run out. So best of luck everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.
He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned? He said, will you